In today's video, we will convert numbers to scientific notation. And scientific notation is a way to write very large and very small numbers. So here we have two examples. One is a large number, 4,200,000, and a small number, 0.0000742. So let's start with a large number. In a large number, we already know that the decimal point comes at the end. So the decimal point is behind the zero. It comes after the zero. So that's our first step. Locate the decimal point. Now, we are going to move the decimal point to the left until there's only one non-zero digit to its left. So let's make that move. So we move it until there's only one non-zero digit to the left. And now we have the decimal point in between the 4 and the 2. So in writing scientific notation, we know that the base is 10 and the exponent will be the number of places we move the decimal point. So the base is 10 and we move the decimal point 6 places, so the exponent is 6. And since the original number was greater than 10, the exponent is positive. So 4,200,000 to scientific notation is 4.2 times 10 to the 6th power. Now let's look at our second example, which is a small number, 0.0000742. Our first step, move the decimal point to the right until there's one non-zero number to the right of the decimal point. And remember, we said in scientific notation the base is always 10. And in this example, we move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places to the right. 7 places to the right. And because the original number was less than 1, the exponent is negative. So 0.0000742 is equal to 10 to the negative 7. That is 74.2 times 10 to the negative 7. So let's now do the reverse. Convert scientific notation to standard notation. 4.52 times 10 to the 4th power. And here we have a positive exponent. So we are going to multiply 10 to the 4th, which is 10,000. And therefore 4.52 times 10 to the 4th power, which is 10,000. That means we are going to move the point 4 places. So we move it 4 places and we add 2 zeros, so that is equal to 45,200. Next, 1.07 times 10 to the negative 3. And 10 to the negative 3 means 1 over 1,000. So 1.07 divided by 1,000. We're going to move 3 places to the left, and that will give us 3 places, 1, 2, 3, and we have 2 zeros as placeholders, and therefore we have 0.00107. And that is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.